everything you need to know about sewer cam scoping, including penetrating difficult accesses, what to do when they break and how to fix them, identifying multiple different types of pipes, identifying multitude of different defects, what to say and how to say. There'll even be a software offer if you're interested. Listen, I thought Sewer Tour number 1 was good. Welcome to Sewer Tour number 2, where Michael Wicklund has stepped it up and knocked it out of the park. I'm telling you, the Denver, Colorado event we just had was fantastic. There are more pictures, there are more defects, there are more videos, there's more opportunities for live one-on-one participation. You will love this class, I'm telling you. It was fantastic. I am so proud and thrilled, and this is just something you really need to take. So please check us out at HomeInspectionSchoolFlorida.com. That's HomeInspectionSchoolFlorida.com, where we have multiple dates across the country for your convenience, both live and Zoom. So come on out and see us. We look forward to working with you.